This is the E500 blood glucose reading, ECG reading, heart rate, blood oxygen, you name it, smartwatch. You saw a bunch of controls up there. You've got step count information here. Here's continuous heart rate, jumps in and starts taking a reading. Here's your blood pressure. Activate that. It'll give you an instantaneous reading, but it's doing a background reading that will be transferred to your app as frequently as every 5 minutes. This is amazing. Here is the ECG. I simply touch the electrode on the side and I can get a live ECG chart generated that tells you exactly where you are in your heart rate. You may notice Mr. Tix is a little high right now. That's because I caught it during an atrial flutter moment, and it is accurate. That's the true heartbeat, and that's the true ECG of what's going on right now. Really amazing. You see the circle closing on the bottom. I'm just going to go ahead and let it finish for you on this one. The time of day is in the upper right-hand corner of every one of these screens, which is a nice addition. I like to see that, and just in case you want to check the time. You get the actual heart rate displayed as well, and the ECG chart, of course, is saved. Now, we've got blood glucose. This is the actual monitoring of blood glucose on a 24-hour basis. You can see when I took it off to shower, when I had breakfast, when I recovered from that, when I had lunch, and now it's digesting and coming back down again. Tap it, it'll take an instantaneous reading for you, and those of you who are familiar with these readings know what you need to do if the reading is out of the parameters that are correct for you. Again, this is not guaranteed to be accurate. You need to check this against your calibrated pinprick process or whatever you use, and the ECG and the heart rate and the blood pressure as well. These are just test data for you. When you land on the blood oxygen, it's switching into the red diode to give you an accurate, more or less, reading. Again, verify it. It'll tell you your blood oxygen percentage at the moment. And again, you've got time on the display, which is really nice. There we go, bouncing around 97, 95, 99. When it finally settles down, it'll give you your final result. Tap here, you get your body temperature, both your skin temperature in Fahrenheit or centigrade, and then an interpolation of what your actual body temperature is. All that built into this watch. Sleep time is in here. Weather's in here. When you got it tethered and set up, it'll tell you the weather in your area, and back around to one of multiple watch faces, which are pretty cool. You got some really nice designer ones, and you can download some from the store that they have too, which is in the app itself, like that one. That's one that I added to the watch. It is a very nice watch. You can get a variety of bands. This one's a really beautiful leather band that comes with. A round knob, doesn't twirl and do anything, but it does activate on and off. This is just the ECG electrode. The plates are here, 2-pin charging, and looks like a really decent build. The screen, I believe, is plastic on this one, not glass, so be a little careful with it, but it is very inexpensive. So you're looking at the E500. Check it out.